Come on in and join me as I take you inside this luxurious coastal estate, also known as the crown jewel of 30A. This custom-built home spans over 6,800 square feet, offering 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Did we mention those Gulf views? This home was perfectly designed for large gatherings and blends comfort and luxury at every turn. On the 4th floor, not only are you greeted with breathtaking Gulf views, you also have a spacious family room that is a perfect spot for gathering with friends and families for movies, games, or simply relaxing while taking in those stunning Gulf views. Let's head on down to the 3rd floor and take a look at one of our custom-built bunk rooms. It's perfectly designed with all those kids in mind. Now, we're moving on to our oversized master suite. This stunning retreat features a spa-inspired bathroom and also a private balcony with panoramic views. Imagine sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises or unwinding as it sets over the water. This floor also offers an additional bunk room that was also custom built and 2 additional ensuites, each thoughtfully designed with guests and family members in mind. Let's move on down to the 2nd floor. Here, we'll enter another oversized ensuite. Again, balcony with stunning Gulf views on the 2nd level. That's a real charm in this area. And another spa-like bathroom. Oversized master closets, a workspace and a workout area, laundry room with double washer and dryer, and again 2 master ensuites for all your friends, family, and guests. Let's head on down to the main level, the heart of the home. This open concept gathering area offers plenty of space for everyone to come together, to enjoy a family meal, relax in the living room, or watch TV while the kids swim in the resort-style pool, or maybe hang out in the gaming room. This home is nothing short of spectacular, offering private deeded beach access directly across the street and just minutes away from Alys Beach, Rosemary Beach, and Inlet Beach, along the iconic 30A. Whether you're looking for a luxury second home or one of the hottest new rental properties on 30A, this residence delivers it all. This incredible property will be offered at $5,450,000. Call me today at 850-687-1913 to schedule your private tour. My name is Alys Beach, your proud local agent with 5-star properties here on the beautiful Emerald Coast.